Tonight's performance is going to be awesome if it's for the president.
Once more from the top. Oh dear, the whole band has the hiccups.
Hola, Mama.
Hola is how you say hello in Spanish.
Hola, Señora Maria.
Is everything all right? No, it's not, Carmen. The band ate Mr. Tucker's salsa, and it was so spicy that it gave everyone the hiccups.
Hiccups? From my dad's salsa? I guess I have them too.
If